Hello, my name is Therese, and I'm the coordinator of the Chris Walsh Center, and I'm going to take a moment to tell you about Bookshare. Bookshare is a great resource for students who are dyslexic, blind, have cerebral palsy, or other reading barriers. And students can get a variety of texts in formats that will help them learn. To get started, click on the Get Started button, and you're going to sign up. As in, if your school or organization doesn't have it, you would sign up for an individual account and you'd go through the set of questions. Yes, I am a person with a print disability. Yes, I am a student. It would look up your school. You'd fill this information out, your login information out, and then you hit next. I'm already a member, so I'm going to log in. But one thing you would do is there is a form that you need to download. There's a form that you need to download and upload it to this page. I'm already logged in, so you don't see the ability to upload it, but directions on how to do that form can be found right here for signing up. So, but now once I got the form, I downloaded it and I sent it to my daughter's liaison at the school, and they got it back to me within 24 hours. I uploaded the form to Bookshare and I had access to her Bookshare account within 5 days. So now that she has an account, I can go to my Bookshare. And this is access to some of the books that we've read since she has gotten her account this week. I'm going to open We Are in a Book by Mo Williams. We're going to read it now. I think this is where we stopped, but we can hit sound.
Pig G, I can make the reader say a word. Gerald, you can make the reader say a word. Pig G, I can.
So my daughter has severe dyslexia. She's bilingual and she goes to a Spanish immersion school. So she's been learning to read in Spanish first, and she's just starting to read in English. That's why we have it really slow, but you can play with the volume of the speed. You can do it faster, but she wouldn't be able to follow along if we did it faster, but I'll play it faster for you.
Pig G, if the reader reads out loud. Gerald, that is a good idea. Gerald, that is a funny idea. Pig G, here I go. Pig G, ahem.
Now that's kind of fast, so we can customize something in the slower rate. And so depending on the speed in which you want to read it at, you can adjust the speed and find what speed is right for your child. But here's another
Pig G,
example.
banana. Gerald, did you hear that?
So that would be about
Gerald,
normal speaking
the reader
speech.
said.
It's very easy to get another book. I click back. I don't have a reading list yet, but let's go to my Bookshare. Quick search. So you can search for a book that they might have. So I was searching for The Hungry Caterpillar and it came up with The Hungry Caterpillar. And it shows me which ones that are available. So I can go to read now. There's a copyright statement that has to be read first, but then you can click to the next page and now you're on The Hungry Caterpillar. Um, so, but if I start reading it, it's going to read all the information in the book. So you does start by reading all the information up here first, all the introduction information until it gets down to the starting page. But that just takes a moment. Overall, I feel like this makes my daughter more self-sufficient. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me at the Chris Walsh Center at framingham.edu. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.